Investors can use the Interactive Brokers Discover tool to access the ORATS Backtester to browse and create simulations of option trading styles using historical data. The ORATS Backtester includes more than 180 million backtests for more than 100 symbols. In TWS Mosaic, from the new window button to the upper left, locate Information Systems and hover above the expansion arrow within the Discover label to see ORATS Backtester. Click to launch the Discover tool in a separate window. The ORATS Backtester contains 5 separate pages with tabs located at the top left-hand side. The Welcome page, Featured Backtests, All Backtests, My Favorites, and Custom Backtest page. Each page can be accessed by clicking on the corresponding tab. The Welcome page has useful information on ORATS and the whats, whys, wheres, and whens of backtesting. There is also an instructional video located on this page that we highly recommend the investor watch. The Featured Backtest page displays 100 of the top-performing backtests sorted by best return on risk based on the current environment's entry triggers. The table updates every 10 minutes. The table is divided into 2 sections: Backtests Inputs, which contains data columns such as the symbol, strike, entry and exit triggers, and the Performance section. When the investor clicks on a line, a new window appears with an historic performance chart comparing the performance of the strategy to the stock in that chart. The investor can edit the starting capital, choose whether to calculate using compounded return, and the percentage of the starting capital used for the strategy. At the top of the chart, metrics are displayed. There are 3 other sections that can be accessed by clicking in the upper left-hand corner between the Metrics section and the chart. Performance metrics, broken down into 4 areas showing data points for return, risk, profit and loss, and other items. Monthly returns for the time period backtested, highlighting very low returns, high returns, and very high returns. And the trade log displays trades used for the backtesting. At the top right-hand side of all 4 screens, the investor can click to be taken to the ORATS website, find similar backtests, choosing which inputs to use, edit the criteria, and save to favorites. Clicking the X will return the investor to the table. ORATS All Backtests page has millions of backtests available for the investor to look at. Towards the top of the screen, the investor can choose the symbol, the strategy, and what to use to rank the results, as well as sorting by ascending or descending order. Directly below are backtests, inputs, or filters the investor can choose from. As the investor updates the filters, the table will populate with the top 100 backtests meeting the criteria. If the investor clicks on a backtest, they will be taken to the Historic Performance Chart screen. Any backtest saved will be displayed in My Favorites. The investor can click on the backtest to be taken to the Historic Chart screen, or if they want to remove the backtest from the page, they can click on the trash can icon on the left-hand side of the table. The ORATS Custom Backtest page allows the investor to input the symbol, strategy, days to expiration, strike delta, and the spread or stock defined as the option trade price relative to the stock price. Once the investor has put in the inputs, they click the Run Backtest button and wait for the results. Once the results are generated, the investor can click on a strategy and see the Details page for more information. The ORATS Backtester, available in the IBKR Discover tool, is a powerful resource for investors to use in backtesting single and multi-leg option strategies.